Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Placenta's unexpected influence on maternal mental health, study finds. Professor Clifton's team at the Maternal Research Institute, University has identified 13 distinct glucocorticoid receptor isoforms in the placenta, with one particular variant showing a surprising response to maternal stress. In a revealing genomic press interview published in Brain Medicine, Professor Vicky Clifton shares transformative discoveries about the placenta's unexpected influence on maternal mental health, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of pregnancy-related anxiety and depression. We have discovered that the placenta has 13 different isoforms of the glucocorticoid receptor, with one isoform expressed in the presence of maternal stress, anxiety and depression that activates an inflammatory response in the placenta in the presence of high cortisol concentrations, Professor Clifton explains. Genetic signature may predict neonatal sepsis early. A genetic signature in newborns can predict neonatal sepsis before symptoms even start to show, according to a new study. The study, led by UBC and SFU researchers in collaboration with the Medical Research Council unit, the Gambia, has the potential to help healthcare workers diagnose babies earlier, including in lower and middle income countries where neonatal sepsis is of particular concern. The research published in eBiomedicine, diagnosing sepsis is challenging for doctors and families. The symptoms can look like many other illnesses, and tests to check if sepsis is present can take several days, aren't always accurate, and are largely only available in hospitals. The uncertainty can delay urgent treatment with antibiotics. The researchers participated in a large study in the Gambia where blood samples were taken from 720 infants at birth. Out of this cohort, 15 babies developed early onset sepsis. The researchers used machine learning to map the expression of genes active at birth in search of biological markers that could predict sepsis. Predicting psychosis risk, childhood attention and genetic makeup may play a role. Researchers at UCLA Health have found that a person's risk of developing psychotic-like experiences may be influenced by both childhood attention problems and their genetic makeup. The findings were published in Nature Mental Health, build upon a long-studied association between childhood attention problems and the likelihood of later developing schizophrenia. Using data from about 10,000 children over 6 years, UCLA researchers led by Dr. Carrie Bearden sought to determine how attentional variability influences the risk of broader psychotic-like symptoms as children grow older into adolescence. Specifically, the team looked at how the youth's risk for psychotic-like experiences varied based on their attention span and genetic variants that may predispose them to different neuropsychiatric conditions. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.